Juru bicara militer Rusia Majen Igor Konashenkov merilis rekaman video detik-detik pasukan rudal dan artileri menghantam area konsentrasi pasukan dan peralatan militer Ukraina di dekat Grusevaha. Rekaman video, puluhan tentara lawan berlari menyelamatkan diri. Dalam sehari, serangan Rusia menargetkan 24 pos komando dan 3 gudang senjata dan amunisi artileri misil di dekat Grusevaha. Serangan tersebut mengakibatkan eliminasi lebih dari 200 personel militer Ukraina dan hingga 20 unit peralatan militer, kata Mayor Jenderal Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Minggu tanggal 2 Mei.
Systems near Zaporozhye and Artyomovsk. 2 ammunition and fuel depots near Privolnaya and Shevchenko in Zaporozhye region have been hit, as well as 15 strong points and areas of manpower and equipment concentration. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 140 nationalists and up to 19 Ukrainian armored vehicles. Missile troops and artillery have hit 786 areas of concentration of the Ukrainian manpower and military equipment, 24 command posts, and 3 missile artillery weapons and ammunition depots near Grushevaha during the day.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.